How to fix Mini Militia no connection problem. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is, if you're inside the application, close the app and then refresh it, and then open it again. After that, you have to check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Swipe down the screen and tap and hold the Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to strong internet connection. If not, then try using cellular data. Our next thing you want to do is move into settings and head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. Once you're in this page, scroll down and search for Mini Militia and then click on it. Tap on Offload app, then once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing. If not, move into App Store and search for Mini Militia. Click on it. Over here, you have to make sure that your application is up to date. If not, tap on Update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue. Once it is up to date, try restarting your device and then try opening the app Mini Militia. It should definitely fix the issue. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.